Welcome to Words That Make You Go, Mind. The grand mind, but nevertheless mind. M-I-N-D. Take away the D. It's min. It's mini mind. It's the mini mind. M-I-N. Do you want to be min? Mini? Take away the N. What do you have? Me. Mini me. I am a me. The me is a mini. The mini's a mind. Do you want to be a me? Because me is even smaller than mini. So we took the D off. It's min. Took the N off. What's left? Me. One more. Take the M out of there. What do you have left? The I. Would you rather be an I or a me? The I is the grand I, the one. Outside of mind. Let's become the I of consciousness. The I, it's conscious, the third eye. The I represents consciousness, pure, undifferentiated consciousness. Which would you rather be? Bye for now.